Hi, welcome to my latest video of must-have kitchen essentials. Whether you're passionate about cooking or simply want to make meal preparation more efficient, I have got a fantastic lineup of selections for this month. Today, we're delving into 32 Amazon kitchen gadgets that have become incredibly popular. Let's get started with the first gadget, Nety Overnight Oats Containers. Designed with a unique airtight sealing feature, these containers ensure that your food remains fresh for extended periods without any leaks, making transport easy and hassle-free, whether you're on a daily commute or packing lunch. The innovative stackable design, complete with an edge guard on the lid, optimizes storage space and adds safety, making these jars incredibly versatile for everything from yogurt and oatmeal to homemade jams, pickles, and even DIY crafts. Next, we have the Good Cook Air Perfect Non-Stick 16-inch pizza pan. With its perforated edge and even heating technology, this pan is engineered to reduce moisture, ensuring a perfectly crispy crust every time. Its versatile design accommodates homemade, frozen, and leftover pizza slices, while convenient cutting guides make serving evenly sized slices effortless. Crafted from durable carbon steel, this non-stick pan not only prevents sticking for easy cleanup, but also resists warping, offering an efficient and reliable baking experience year after year. Next, we have the Ultra Cuisine Cooling and Baking Rack. These racks boast a heavy-duty wire grid design with small holes and smooth no-snag edges, promoting superior airflow for even cooking, cooling, and roasting. Grid design not only prevents food from sticking, but also helps in preserving the aesthetic quality of your baked goods. One of the standout features of these cooling racks is their ability to withstand high temperatures up to 575 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you're baking a batch of cookies or slow roasting a tender cut of meat, these racks can handle the heat while maintaining their structural integrity. Next, we have the DR Mills Coffee Bean and Dried Spice Grinder. It is a compact, efficient electric grinder designed with durable stainless steel blades for effortlessly grinding coffee beans and various spices. Features a non-slip base for stability and a space-saving cord storage solution, along with an overheat protection feature for safe operation. With a 150-watt motor, it allows users to customize coarseness by holding a button while watching the grinding action through the transparent lid. Easy to clean with the included brush, it holds 1.8 ounces of beans, enough for 7 cups of coffee. The fifth gadget we have is the Utopia Kitchen Non-Stick Frying Pan Set of 3 sizes, 8-inch, 9.5-inch, and 11-inch. With even heat distribution suitable for all cooktops, these pans enhance the cooking experience by delivering consistent results, whether sautéing, simmering, or frying. Designed with ergonomic Bakelite handles, these pans are comfortable to grip and safe to use. While they are dishwasher safe, hand washing is recommended to maintain their non-stick surface, making them an indispensable addition to any kitchen. Next, we have the Spacekey Espresso machine, equipped with a 20-bar professional pump for extracting rich coffee flavors and aromas. Featuring an Americano mode, it caters to varying coffee preferences, from espresso to longer drinks. Its 1350-watt fast preheating system heats water to the ideal temperature in just 45 seconds. The milk foaming system, with its adjustable steam wand, enables users to create different coffee beverages, such as cappuccinos and lattes at home. Next, we have Hartist square glass jars with bamboo lids. They offer a sustainable and stylish storage solution for any kitchen. Made from thick, durable borosilicate glass, these jars withstand extreme temperatures, making them both dishwasher and fridge safe. Their airtight bamboo lids ensure contents remain fresh and free from pests. With a wide-mouth design, these jars are perfect for storing pasta, cereal, flour, sugar, and more, while their elegant appearance adds a touch of sophistication to any pantry. Next, we have the Chamm Rotary Cheese Grater. It is a versatile kitchen tool equipped with 3 stainless steel blades for coarse shredding, fine shredding, and slicing. Designed with food-grade materials and a robust stainless steel blade, it is safe for processing various foods, from cheese to vegetables and nuts. The suction cup base ensures stability during operation, while easy disassembly makes cleaning and storage convenient. This manual grater delivers quick results, shredding a pound of cheese in just 30 seconds. Next, we have the Gorilla Grip Manual Can Opener. features a robust stainless steel blade designed to easily slice through cans of all sizes. Its large turn knob and slip-resistant handles enhance comfort and efficiency, with the added bonus of a built-in bottle opener. This tool promises smooth, jagged-free cuts and is constructed with a durable, rust-resistant design. With an ergonomic grip and a seamless cutting mechanism, this can opener is an essential kitchen gadget for opening cans and bottles with ease. At number 10, we have the Webman Ice Cube Tray with Lid. It offers a convenient and efficient way to make perfect ice spheres for your beverages at home. Designed to produce perfectly round ice cubes with ease. Unlike silicone molds, these trays are effortlessly releasable with a gentle twist. Crafted from food-grade materials, these trays are ideal for cocktails, coffees, and infused beverages, offering both practicality and aesthetic appeal with stylish ice spheres. Measuring compactly, these trays are ideal for smaller freezers, stacking neatly to maximize space efficiency. Next, we have the Albert & Grace 10.5-inch bread slicer knife. Engineered for slicing through anything from crusty sourdough to soft bagels, this knife reduces friction through its unique serrations, delivering clean cuts with minimal crumbs. Beyond bread, its versatility extends to slicing fruits and vegetables with tough skins. Constructed from high-quality, high-carbon stainless steel, it provides exceptional sharpness and long-term edge retention. Its full-tang design ensures a well-balanced grip, complemented by an ergonomic pack-a-wood handle that offers comfort and control during use. Next, we have the Spacekey vacuum sealer machine. It's a game-changer for food preservation, offering a robust solution to keep food fresh up to 10 times longer than conventional methods. Featuring an impressive 85 kilo suction power, it efficiently seals food in seconds, maintaining freshness and preventing spoilage. Its user-friendly design includes built-in bag roll storage and a sliding cutter, simplifying the sealing process. The durable stainless steel panel and LED indicators streamline operation and cleaning, while the included replacement heating strip guarantees enduring performance. Next, we have the Imusa double burner griddle, designed to handle multiple ingredients at once with its expansive 20 by 12-inch cooking surface. Made of aluminum, this durable griddle provides even heat distribution and retention. Its non-stick surface ensures easy cleanup, while the dual-side handles make handling safe and convenient. Whether you're crafting breakfast favorites like French toast or preparing large meals, this lightweight, multifunctional griddle is an everyday essential. Be it for warming tortillas or making quesadillas, it doubles up as your all-in-one cooking companion. Next, we have the Joseph Bloom Folding Steamer Basket. This ingeniously designed basket features self-adjusting sides to fit various pots and pans, making it versatile across a range of cookware. Constructed from BPA-free polypropylene and silicone, it's heat-resistant and flexible. When fully open, it provides ample steaming capacity, yet it folds neatly for compact storage. Boasting dishwasher-safe convenience, it's suitable for non-stick cookware, offering a modern upgrade to traditional steaming methods. At number 15, we have the Balano Whistling Tea Kettle. Crafted from professional food-grade materials and 18/8 stainless steel, this kettle ensures rust and corrosion resistance for quick heating. Its foldable handle design saves space, making storage efficient. The kettle's loud whistle alerts you to boiling water, preventing dry boils. With a 2.5-liter capacity, it serves 4 to 5 people easily, saving you from frequent boiling. Its ergonomic silicone-coated handle ensures comfortable pouring, while usability across various stovetops adds versatility to your kitchen. Next, we have the WOWBOX 4 serving trays. Each tray offers ample serving space for your culinary creations, whether you're hosting a grand dinner party or an intimate gathering. Constructed for utmost durability, these trays are resistant to shattering and cracking, making them perfect for both everyday use and special occasions. Beyond serving, they serve a dual purpose as ideal tools for organizing kitchen storage. Their stackable design saves valuable space in your kitchen, and the easy-to-clean surface ensures they remain a staple for any gathering. Next, we have mighty strong 6-pack condiment squeeze bottles. Perfect for dispensing oils, sauces, dressings, and more. These user-friendly bottles come equipped with secure snap caps and wide openings for easy filling and cleaning. Built with high-quality materials for durability, They resist leaks with an innovative silicone gasket, ensuring a mess-free kitchen experience. With convenient measurement markings on each bottle, they provide precise dosing for every recipe, becoming indispensable companions in your kitchen. Next, we have Patali 4 pieces acrylic clear sugar bowl. Made from sturdy, high-quality acrylic material, these bowls offer both durability and ease of handling. With a substantial capacity of 210 milliliters each, they are perfect for storing sugar, spices, or condiments, keeping your kitchen organized and efficient. The clear design allows for quick identification of contents, adding a neat and beautiful aesthetic to your kitchen. Their chic and minimalist look complements any kitchen decor, making them a smart addition to your culinary space. Next, we have LCHO serving bowls with handles, available in 15, 28, and 49-ounce sizes to meet various culinary needs. Made of premium porcelain, these bowls are safe for use in the microwave, dishwasher, and oven, providing versatility and ease in your cooking and serving processes. Their nesting design saves valuable storage space, while the built-in handles ensure secure transit and an attractive display for your culinary delights. Suitable for everything from soups and salads to pasta and stews, these bowls are both functional and elegant. At number 20, we have the Irari Poly Wicker Bread Basket. These 6 baskets, handcrafted from durable polypropylene fibers, offer both strength and a classic farmhouse aesthetic. Ideal for storing a variety of goods, including breads, pastries, and snacks, making them perfect companions for breakfast, brunch, or any gathering. Their generous size allows for the accommodation of a wide range of contents, providing versatility for different occasions, whether you are hosting a large family gathering or a cozy afternoon tea. Next, we have the Sedo stainless steel potato masher. Built with high-quality stainless steel, this masher is designed to resist stains and corrosion, ensuring longevity and durability. Its ergonomic handle provides ultimate comfort, while the large bowl is well-suited for tackling big potatoes with ease. Perfect for incorporating air into your culinary creations, this masher is great for making fluffy mashed potatoes, baby food, and a variety of other dishes. It's an essential tool for any kitchen, making meal preparation easy and enjoyable. Next, we have the Mueller vegetable chopper. With 9 interchangeable blades for various cutting needs, from chopping to slicing, this chopper meets all your culinary demands. Beyond just chopping, this robust tool also helps reduce meal prep time significantly, allowing you to enjoy more moments with your loved ones. It simplifies adding fresh vegetables to any dish, making it perfect for those who value efficiency and precision in their cooking. Its compact design saves counter space, while the durable, dishwasher-safe construction ensures long-lasting use. Next, we have the Priority Chef Mortar and Pestle Set. With its ability to grind and blend herbs, spices, and various ingredients effortlessly, it enhances the flavors in your dishes. The set includes non-slip countertop protectors, which are designed to prevent scratches and ensure stability, providing a safe and efficient grinding process. A bonus is the included garlic peeler, which simplifies preparation by quickly and easily peeling garlic cloves, saving you time. Crafted from solid granite, this hand-carved tool is both robust and aesthetically pleasing, making it a standout addition to your kitchen arsenal. Next, we have New Star measuring cups and spoons. The set promises longevity and unwavering accuracy, ensuring your recipes turn out perfectly every time. Each piece features engraved measurements that are easy to read and won't fade over time, offering consistent reliability. The thoughtful nesting design, along with a detachable loop, makes storage not only efficient, but also convenient, helping to keep your kitchen organized. Additionally, the easy-to-pour spouts minimize spills and messes, facilitating a hassle-free cooking experience. At number 25, we have the JY Cookmint Meat Tenderizer. Designed to improve meat texture and flavor effortlessly. By creating tiny channels in the meat, it breaks down tough connective tissues, allowing marinades to penetrate more deeply and cooking times to be reduced. Its ergonomic, non-slip handle provides excellent control and comfort, making it user-friendly for both amateurs and professionals. The tenderizer is crafted with easy-to-disassemble parts for convenient cleaning, ensuring that it remains a high-quality tool in your kitchen for years to come. Next, we have the Bagrocks Lemon Squeezer. a compact, foldable solution for juicing citrus fruits with ease and precision. Constructed from durable, food-grade stainless steel, it resists bending and maintains the purity and flavor of your juice. Its ergonomic design ensures effortless operation, while its space-saving foldable feature allows it to be stored conveniently in drawers or on shelves. Ideal for lemons, limes, and other small citrus fruits, this squeezer provides reliable performance and is a vital addition to any kitchen. Next, we have the Kitech SPT Effective Large Salad Spinner. Designed with a 6.3 quart capacity, it efficiently dries vegetables, ensuring they are ready for dressing or consumption. The spinner features an effective spinning mechanism and a non-slip base that enhances stability and safety during use. Its one-handed operation further simplifies the process, while its multifunctional design allows it to double as a colander and salad bowl. This versatile tool is perfect for any kitchen endeavor, whether you're preparing a simple salad or an elaborate dish. Next, we have Michi Condiment Jar spice container with lids and spoons. This set of 3 glass containers with included stainless steel spoons ensures both safety and freshness, with an easy-to-clean design that simplifies maintenance. The clear glass construction allows for quick identification of contents, adding a stylish and functional element to your kitchen setup. Whether you're a spice enthusiast or simply looking to organize your pantry, these jars provide a sophisticated touch. Next, we have the Dinger Jar Snackle Box charcuterie container. Its innovative portable design with a divided tray and handle is ideal for on-the-go snacking, making it perfect for picnics, parties, or a casual day out. Made from durable, BPA-free plastic, this transparent container keeps snacks fresh and organized, serving multiple roles from snack holder to stylish charcuterie board. Its versatility and functionality make it an essential addition to your kitchen or entertaining arsenal. At number 30, we have a Chamm collapsible colander set of 3. These innovative foldable strainers save precious kitchen space and are perfect for draining a variety of foods, from pasta to vegetables. Perfect for small kitchens, these colanders combine convenience with practicality. Made with environmentally friendly materials, they are safe and odorless, ensuring a healthy kitchen environment. Their ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, while their easy-to-clean nature makes them an indispensable tool for your cooking routine. Next, we have the Gorilla Grip Silicone Coffee Mat. Crafted from thick, 100% waterproof silicone, this mat offers impeccable protection against accidental spills and stains. Its 1/8-inch raised edge ensures liquids are contained, keeping your surfaces pristine. Not only is it heat-resistant and dishwasher-safe, but it's also BPA-free, making it a trustworthy choice for hot beverages. Its slip-resistant design, with a silicone backing and raised dots, ensures your items stay firmly in place, minimizing slips and spills. The last gadget of the video is the Zenata Pastry Double Cutter Wheel, designed for precision cutting of pizzas, pies, and pastries. Featuring a stainless steel blade, it provides smooth, even slices with each use. This multifunctional cutter also serves as a cookie slicer, making it a practical addition to any kitchen. Whether for professional chefs or home bakers, it delivers efficient and precise results every time. That's it. Thank you for watching our overview of the 32 Amazon kitchen gadgets making waves this month. We hope you found the perfect tool to complement your kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Until next time, happy cooking, and I will see you in the next video.